Alright, Forex traders, welcome back to Techie.com, April 28th, just around noon Eastern Standard Time. What we have on my screen is the Audi Swiss franc. If you have been following my blog posts and my Twitter tweets from yesterday and this morning, you realize that I've been trading the Audi Swiss franc during the New York session north here and was trading it also yesterday. Now what we have seen is the completion of the movement here on the pair. What I want to do is cover the analysis now that the trade has occurred and show what led me to my trade decisions on my entries north on the Audi Swiss franc. Now my interest began on this pair from the supply line that was forming here on the 1 hour compression. Again, what I love to trade is the violation of supply and demand, and here we can see a classic example of that occurring. Now yesterday I was looking at the movement that broke through my line of supply and created demand in the market, and that is coming from this area right here. Now we can see there is my movement that made the break up above. I had a retracement in that, and continuing on, what we can see is the payments of the 127.2, the retracement, and then the payout of the 161.8. Now in pink are the expansions of this movement right here that created that breach violation of the line of supply. Now what I began to see here further unfolding is that potentially I had chosen a small movement here that was not my valid initial movement, because when I saw this market here break above the 161.8 and continue on to further profit targets, I wanted to see exactly what it was doing. So what I did is I reanalyzed this pair. I saw that if I took a look deeper into the picture that this could have been my initial movement, and taking a better look at that, you will definitely see how clearly it stands out here on the 1 hour compression. Okay, so there's the movement that breaks up above that line of supply. Demand is in the market, so we're going to see a rise in the price. Coming back here, we saw the market retrace to its 61.8 retracements, and we saw a 100% fib expansion payout. Now also what was forming at this time was a line of demand here in the market, a very dominant line of demand, and where I took the opportunities were on the marks of the third point here of demand forming, which was going to continue its support, and I was looking for my overall payment here at the 161.8 fib expansion, as you can see at this point. Now taking it down to the smaller compressions, let's go ahead and look at my exact entries today. Okay, now this is the 5-minute compression that we can see here on the screen. Now what we're looking at, there is the third point here that has created the line of demand that is intact and creating the market movement north. Here's the retracement off of the 100%. We can see that it was a 50% retracement overlapping the line of demand. Strong support created there. Saw nice movement in this market. Okay, I took right here, as you can see on this candle, is where my first entry was taken. Moving down below, here you can see my buy at the, let me grab the right one. Oops, I have the wrong trades up. Alright, here we go. Here are my Audi Swiss franc trades. My first price here at the 1.0006, you can see that right there. Entered on 12:31 here on my time. It was right on the open of this candle. So what I was seeing here was a nice bounce off of the line. Price action coming strong in here, opening of the New York sessions. I took my first entry, and now at this point here I saw price action continuing, and I saw a break of the top level of the market being the 100% fib expansion, and from that point I had anticipated that we were going to see the continuation on here for the 161.8 fib expansion. And we can see is that this market made a tremendous rally north and stopped pretty much dead on a dime there at that 161.8. And that is something that I love to see, because what that is telling me here is that my method of taking profit at my fib expansions is well thought through, because I'm not the only one taking profit, and a movement such as that on a 5-minute compression is done by profit taking. So obviously others were attacking that line just as I was. So that's what we have on the Audi Swiss franc. I just want to do a quick update here. I'm with Techie.com. Thanks for joining us once again. Hope you all have a great trading day. With that said, good luck and happy trading.